whosoever, all of us who are involved with development administration are all aware of it. Be it the district level monthly or the regular meetings with the bankers, any other developmental initiative, the NABARD representative, is a strong soldier, always standing behind us, or standing with us, and we, the kind of involvement and dedication that we see, in the NABARD officials is something very exemplary. Today we are all here to recognize the many initiatives in rural development taken by many institutions, self-help groups, or the non-governmental organizations. Something, when we talk about the rural India, we know there's always a dichotomy we always talk about, that is India and the Bharat. So we know that the agriculture, even though the contribution in our GDP might be around 27%, but still about 70% of our population, something very old figure, but we are all aware of it, that still 70% of our population live in villages and they are still dependent on agriculture. So against this background, when we really have to think as to how such a large number of people, number of Indians, predominant majority, how can we contribute, how can we make their contribution to our economy more productive? And here the role played by NABARD, different array of, mind-boggling array of activities, where you have microcredit, you have extension services, exposure visit, different kinds of awareness programs, and the kind of support that they have been providing is something really amazing. Today, the very fact that we are here to recognize these wonderful institutions, self-help groups, and when we talk about these self-help groups or these NGOs, we know that today government on its own finds, it's not possible for us to do everything on its own. We need, when we are talking about more of decentralization or participatory democracy, we need popular involvement, popular participation as much as possible. And therein comes the role of the self-help groups or non-governmental organizations, which actually act as partners in development administration along with the government. And that is why many of the initiatives, many of the roles that they have undertaken, the way they come out with different ideas, various ideas, has actually made our task much simpler. So we just hope that NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, will continue its splendid job, and we will continue to get support and the participation of all these wonderful institutions, so that together we can work for the development administration, can work more productively, more fruitfully, and more effectively. If we can ensure this, definitely we can look for that the Bharat can somehow go and meet India one day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a motivating speech. Because we at NABARD cannot reach our goals without the active cooperation from the district administration. May I now request Shri F.I. Joseph, Regional Director, the Reserve Bank of India, to address the gathering.